Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cyril Anpanis, and today, let us continue our discussion regarding the philosophical background of social studies in the Philippines, and specifically, the new Philippine Republic. So, the focus on elementary education was also highlighted with the publication of the Elementary Learning Court in the year 1977 with the promotion of key concepts in Araling Panlipunan or social studies. So, in the Elementary Learning Court, they promoted key concepts in Araling Panlipunan. So, these concepts will highlight the focus or the concepts of social studies or Araling Panlipunan. So, these concepts include Samahang Panlipunan or the social organization, disiplinang panlipunan or social discipline, pagpapahalagang moral at spiritual, moral and spiritual values, pamana ng lahi at pambansang pagkakakilanlan, national heritage and national identity, kapaligiran, environment, pagbabago or social change, ang mamamayan, ang institusyon at ang kaunlaran, citizens, institutions, and development. So, these are the key concepts of the elementary learning course. So, this is the elementary education focused in the subject Araling Panlipunan. So, lahat ng concept na meron ng social studies or the Araling Panlipunan focuses on this key concepts. So let us dig deeper regarding these key concepts. The first one, we have the Samahang Panlipunan or the social organization. So, when we say social organization, it is a pattern of relationships between and among individuals and groups. So, Samahang Panlipunan, it talks about how a person communicates with other people in their community or in their society. So, ang focus ng Araling Panlipunan or social studies is to know or to be for an individual to be aware on how he can communicate and how he can socialize with other human beings in their society or in their country. Next is the disiplinang panlipunan or social discipline. Dito naman sa social discipline, tinatakal dito yung mga behaviors ng isang individual in terms sa kanyang society. Ibig sabihin, how a person or how an individual behave in their society. That is the social discipline. The third one is the pagpapahalagang moral at spiritual. This tackles the moral and spiritual values. So, ibig sabihin, the moral of a person and in connection with the spiritual values. So, dito, pagdating sa spiritual and moral values, these are the guiding principles that shape our beliefs, our behaviors, understanding, and of the meaning and purpose of life. The fourth one naman is the pamana ng lahi at pangbansang pagkakakilanlan. So, national heritage and national identity. So, every country or every person that lives in a certain country has a national identity. For example, me. My national identity is a Filipino. I am a Filipino. And in terms of national identity, malalaman din natin, halimbawa, ay kayo manggi ang kanyang kulay, siya ay isang Pilipino. So, because of the national identity, we can easily identify where a person came from, parang ganon. Tapos pagdating naman sa national heritage, it is an important part of nation building and historic buildings and monuments that can be powerful symbols of a nation's aspirations and identity. So, for example, Lipa City. So, what is our culture heritage? For example, the culture of the Lipeños, they serve or they are once the best or the biggest importer of kaping barako. So, national heritage. So, that's why during celebrations, during fiestas, we have Barako Festival. Okay? And the next one is kapaligiran. So, kapaligiran, environment. So, the environment is everything that is around us. So, it includes both living and non-living things. So, ibig sabihin, humans, plants, animals, those are part of our environment. So, Araling Panlipunan also tackles about the environment. So, yung environment sa Araling Panlipunan, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung core values ng Philippine schools, we have makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan at makabansa. So the environment, it tackles about the makakalikasan. The next one is the social change. Pagdating naman dito sa social change, it is a changes in human interactions kasi social change. And it tackles also about the relationships that transform cultural and social institutions. So, itong changes na to, it occurs over time. Halimbawa, how a person or how a human interacts with a person or with other beings will change over time. So, it's not constant. So, it is dynamic because it is changing. And the last one, ang mamamayan, ang institusyon at ang kaunlaran. So, in social studies, we also tackle about the citizens. What is the citizen of an individual? For example, during our first year on our discussion on contemporary world, we talked about citizenship or ang pagkakakilanlan ng isang tao. The institutions, what are the institutions in a certain country, in a certain area, or in a government. And the last one is the development. So, what are the development that occur in a certain country? So, these are the focuses of the elementary education. So, lahat ng ito or lahat ng key concepts na to is aligned with the core values of the elementary education, which is the makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan at makabansa.